Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get a screenshot over the windows. I'm going to show you a shortcut that you can use at any time if you're using into any software or playing any game. You don't need to get back and open a manual software for taking the screenshot. Now, in order to take the screenshot, just simply hit Windows icon, Shift icon and S icon on your keyboard. Once you do that, a screenshot window will open right in front of you. Now with this cursor, just simply select the amount of the screen that you want to take as a screenshot. For example, if I select the full screen, now the screenshot for the same has been now clipped by the snipping tool. I can even change, manage it, save it, and mark it and do whatever I want to do with the same. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.